Not all ICP investors lose money. I've seen two categories: ICP holders that lost over 60% since November, and ICP active traders who made 368% profit in November, then 100% profit in January, and again 100% profit this month in May if they sold already. And I did because, as I showed you in my previous video, I believe we're going much lower in 2026. That being said, active trading is risky and not for everybody. In this video, I will show you how to succeed with that, but remember, this is not financial advice. First of all, how did I know about these trades? How did I know when to buy and when to sell? Well, I always bought between $2 and $2.8 because that's the biggest support zone on the ICP chart. As you can see here, this is the $2 support line, and this is the $2.8 support line. So if the price touches the $2 support level, then it's a clear sign that you need to buy because the price will likely bounce at that level. As you can see here, we touched $2 and the price pumped. We touched $2 here, and after some sideways movements here we pumped again, and once we broke $2.8, the price of ICP pumped again till $4. The $2.8 level is also a big support level for ICP. In fact, after this big pump in November, when we then corrected, we got supported by the 2.8 level. And as you know, strong supports can act as strong resistances. As you can see here, in the short term, the $2.8 level acted as a resistance level for this channel. Now, how did I know when to sell? Well, you always want to sell at the first resistance level. So, as you can see here in the chart, when I bought at $2 here, I then sold some ICP at the first resistance level, which is, as you can see here, the $4 level, $4.5. That's the biggest, the strongest resistance on the charts, the nearest one. So from $2 to $4.5, I made 117% profit. I sold some portion of my position, not all of my position, because I believed we could have gone much higher. And so I then waited and I sold again at the next big resistance level, which is the $6.2 level. So when I sold the second portion of my trade, I made on that amount exactly 200% profit. I didn't want to sell all my position at $6 because volume was high, and so I decided to hold the last portion of my position for a last sell after a breakout over the $6.2 level. And so the third time I sold, I made exactly 340% profit. Same logic applies to my second trade, because after I sold the third portion of my trade, making those amazing profits, the price started to crash very deeply. We are on the daily chart, and in only one day, the price went from $9.4 till $6.8, losing 27% in one day. So it was clear a big correction was coming, and so I've been waiting for the correction to end and the price to bottom and reach at least the first big support level, which is here, as I showed you earlier, our previous support level here at $2.8. And when it touched $2.8 here, I entered my trade. And in fact, the price bounced, and from there we made 100% profit. Actually, a bit less, because we sold at the first big resistance level, as I showed you, $4.5. I always buy and sell at strong levels. So we actually made on that trade from $2.8 till $4.5, 65% profit after a big 340% gain. So we made less profit, but with more capital, because I took the money I made on this trade and I put it in this other trade where we made 65%. So I've been making crazy amount of money trading ICP in the last few months. After that second win, I was waiting for the price to correct. I was waiting for it to touch the $2.8 level to buy again, but sell volumes were high, so I waited till the next big support level, which was $2. So I bought here at $2, and there was some sideways movement here in this channel. So for this trade, I've been waiting actually quite long, from the 6th of February till May, but then we made a crazy 100% profit. And guys, this is only a 6 months time frame from November till May, and all we had to do was to enter 3 big trades to make crazy amount of money and make a living just by trading ICP. Now, I understand that for many of you, trading ICP actively instead of just buying and holding must be scary. That is why, usually, the people who trade ICP actively and succeed, they rely on the support of a dedicated broker like UpTrade. UpTrade has a team of financial analysts and professionals who monitor the market 24/7 to provide you with the most updated and reliable data. Basically, it's like trading on Binance or Coinbase, but you get a dedicated broker that will guide you towards achieving your trading goals. They won the Best Research Platform award at the Paris Blockchain Week, and you can access all their trading knowledge through the UpTrade Alpha platform. Basically, UpTrade Alpha is their private research and insights platform, powered by over 200 hours a week of in-house analysis. It's designed for active investors seeking an edge, and it offers real-time watch list so you can track what assets their brokers and analysts are watching, 101 analyst access so you get direct line to their research team for fundamental analysis, technical analysis, insights, and strategy. You can request a custom research, so you can request deep dives on tokens, sectors, or themes, and then you can also receive a weekly research drop, which is basically a curated market update every week, and you can ask a portfolio review, so they will analyze your portfolio, they will assess your risk and diversification level, and you also get access to Alpha AI, which is a 24/7 personal AI research assistant. Basically, guys, this is all you need in order to make those crazy profits that I showed you earlier by actively trading ICP or other tokens. So if you're ready to enter these trades and make these crazy profits with me on UpTrade, make sure to go below this video, because you will find a link to UpTrade. You will click there, you will see this partner page, and you can book a free consultation where you can enter your data and explain what are your objectives, and you will get assigned to a dedicated broker that will guide you and provide you with all the materials and research that you need in order to succeed. You can also sign up to the platform here. So this is the platform where you will enter your trades. If you have any questions, guys, write them down in the comments and let me know what you think about my trading strategy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next episode.